Hi guys, today we've got this easy low messy bun that you can recreate in less than 2 minutes. I've left some hair out to frame the face and I'm going to tie the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. On the last turn of that elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. Make sure your ends are pointing upwards and you only pull it through part way to create a little loop. Now with the hair that's left over, I'm just going to do a regular 3-strand braid and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Next, apply some texture spray to the braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then really pinch and pull this braid apart. So use your fingers and spread out the edges as much as possible, and also pick up a few bits of hair from the middle to give it more texture. Now we're just going to tuck that hair underneath the loop of hair. Push everything towards the nape of the neck and secure it on both sides with as many bobby pins as needed. Now I'm just going to anchor a couple of points of that braid to the loop so it doesn't move about. And then use your fingers to really pinch and pull every loop and twist of that braid until you get the messiness that you like. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.